everyone. I'm so sorry about the technical difficulties. I had to find a different piece of technology that was working today. Oh, I'm so sorry about that. Okay. Good morning, everyone. I'm so happy to see everyone back. This is so amazing. Good morning, Miss Felker's class. Good morning to Miss Giles' class. Good morning, Mademoiselle McGurran's class. Good morning, Miss Redpath's class. Thank you for joining us. And good morning, Miss Lecomte's class. Oh my goodness. So good morning, Miss Lee and Miss Watson's class. We're happy that you joined us today. Okay, I want to see who I missed at the top here. Good morning, Miss Paul's class. I see you there too. Wow, so exciting. Okay, and Miss Redpath's class, good morning. I'm so happy everyone has made it here today on this chilly day. Good morning. And good morning to Miss Severnag's class. Welcome everybody back to Dr. Fuzzleworth's Fuzzleworth Fridays. This is so exciting. Okay. Now, boys and girls, last night at my house, I had lots and lots of snow falling, and I had lots of ice outside. So it was a little bit of kind of rain, and it froze. And Dr. Fuzzle went 4-1, whoa, and I did a little bit of a slip on the ice this morning. So I started to think, I wonder if we could melt some ice. I wondered if we could melt some ice in our experiment today. Okay, so boys and girls, what do you think? Do you think we can melt some ice? So I have my question box today, so you can answer that yes, you think we can melt some ice, or no, maybe we can't melt any ice. I'll wait and see what you think. What you think if we can melt the ice or not melt the ice. Okay. Oh, thank you, Miss Watson and Miss Lee's class said that we can melt the ice. Fantastic. So yes, I'm going to put yours into the yes pile. Great. Okay. Let's see. Oh, and Miss Lecomte's class said, yes, you can. Okay, thank you, Miss Lecomte's class. Miss Lecomte's class said yes. Oh, and they're coming in fast and furious now. And Miss Giles' class and Miss Lou and Miss Francis's class, thank you so much. You guys are saying yes as well. Okay, I wonder, yes. Okay, I have to read very fast here. Okay, Miss Redpath's class said yes. So Miss Redpath's class said yes, that they can melt the ice too. And Miss Craig and Miss Capadia's class, fantastic. Okay, and Miss Severnak's class, thank you, Miss Severnak. Okay, where's Miss Severnak's name? There we go, Miss Severnak's name, fantastic. Oh my goodness, so many friends. Okay, and Miss Paul's class. Oh, and Miss Felker's class too. Oh my goodness, everybody's here today. This is amazing. Miss Sandu and Miss Royan's class. Thank you so much. You said that we can melt the ice too. Oh my goodness. Okay, and now I see in Miss Paul's class. Thank you, Miss Paul's class, that yes, we can do it. Okay, fingers crossed, everyone. We have some experimenting to do today. We have everybody in the yes pile. Excellent. Oh, this is so exciting. I wanted to just check, make sure I did not miss anybody. Okay. I think Mademoiselle McGurran was there. Yes? Oh, she said we believe it. Oh, you can melt the ice. Thank you, Miss McGurran. Mademoiselle, merci. Okay, I'm going to put you in the yes pile too. Okay, fantastic. Okay, boys and girls. So today, I froze some ice in some ice cube trays. So this is not like ice that you would get from your fridge. So this is not like ice outside, but I put some ice because I wanted to freeze it. Yeah, so I put it into the freezer so that we could have some ice to try for our experiment. So I've cracked it. So I have to do this and crack it. And I'm just going to put it into another container to make it a little bit easier to get out. There we go. Okay, so I have 2 containers of ice. So I have my second container. I'm going to put into my little bucket as well. Follow a little. Okay, I have my very special little tongs that I'm going to use. So boys and girls, I wanted to talk to you. What do you think would be the best thing to melt ice? Okay, so ask your class, what is the best thing to melt some ice if you have ice outside? I'm just going to put my ice cubes into my little jars here. Okay, Ms. Redpath says class thinks fire or salt. Ooh, Ms. Redpath's class. Okay, I don't have any fire with me. It might be a little bit dangerous. So I won't have my fire today because I'm thinking of my sidewalk. I maybe can't use fire on it, but that's a good idea. I like that idea. But salt? A hair dryer. Ooh, thank you, Miss Giles. I wonder if Miss Giles takes her hair dryer to the front walk at her house, if that's how she does the ice, cleans off the ice. Okay, Ms. Paul's class said you could melt the snow by adding salt or heat. Thank you. Like Ms. Paul's class, I think you guys might be talking about this in your class. You're so clever. Okay, Ms. Savernak's class said a microwave, hot water, and a blow dryer for the salt. Okay. And Mademoiselle McGurran's class has hot water or my stove. Yes, you're right. So Dr. Fosworth's back in her laboratory, so I don't have my stove, but I love this idea. Okay, thank you, Ms. Leah. Ms. Watson's class said something that is hot, like the sun or hot water. Absolutely. Okay, Ms. Felker's class says, we think salt, and a student shared that it's blue, special blue salt. Like, not like the salt in your kitchen. Okay. There's very clever people here. Okay. Ms. Reineman Sanders' class said hot water. Thank you. Ms. Craig's class has said a heater or some hot water. These are all amazing ideas. Now, boys and girls, this is an experiment that you can do at your house or in your classroom too. So today, Dr. Fuzzleworth has some salt. I have some salt because the water here in my laboratory is not too hot. So, but I love that idea with the hot water. But I think this would be a great experiment for you to do in your houses too, with all these different ideas, amazing ideas. And write them down. You can send them to me, okay? But today, Dr. Fuzzleworth has some different kinds of salt that I'm going to try. So let's see. So I have some regular salt, just regular salt like you would have in your kitchen. Okay, I think it was Miss Felker's class said that not this kind, but we're going to try this kind. Okay, so that's one of them. We're going to try the salt. Oh, look at that. It's a new package. I have to open it up. And I wonder, of all the different kinds, which one is going to melt the fastest? Okay, so here we go. So I have some regular table salt. I have some kosher salt. This one's just a little bit bigger, thicker. I have some Epsom salts. This is the kind that you would put in a bath. Okay, these ones smell very nice, like a lavender. Okay, I'll try this one. And who's my clever friend with a blue? The blue. So this is the blue salt. I have got a little bit from the custodian. The custodian said I could have a little bit to try for our experiment. Okay, so boys and girls, we are going to see which one melts the fastest. Maybe you can think, I'm going to pour these on, but you have a little think which one your class votes for to melt the fastest. Regular table salt from your house, kosher salt, which is bigger salt crystals, Epsom salts like for your bathtub, and this one's called Arctic Blue salt that you might find like at your school that your custodian would use. Okay, so Dr. Fuzzleworth's going to put it on. You guys talk amongst yourselves. Tell me which one you think is going to melt the fastest. Okay. Oh, this one smells so nice. It's like lavender. Oopsies. Little mess. It happens. Laboratories can be messy places sometimes, you know. And the blue one. Okay. Now. All right. I wonder what you are thinking. Okay, so we have someone says regular salt is going to be the best. Okay, Mademoiselle McGurn's class and most of us think the Arctic Blue salt. Miss Evernak's class says they think the Arctic Blue salt as well. I wonder why they think that. That's interesting. Okay. Oh, my hands smell like lavender. So nice. Miss Felker's class also thinks the blue one. Oh, Miss Lacombe's class says we think the blue salt because we have seen it on our sidewalk. Okay. I like your thinking. Okay, Miss Paul's class said we have a wide variety of guesses in our class, and that's just like science, Miss Paul's class. For sure. Okay. Some for each except for the lavender one. But it smells so good. But I understand. Okay, Miss Craig's class said a few votes for the blue salt and some for the kosher salt. Okay, I wonder why, Miss Craig. Why do they think the kosher salt or the blue salt? Okay, Miss McGurn's class said we have seen the blue salt outside. One student shared that she puts it on her porch outside and it goes faster, it melts faster. Okay, so boys and girls, I'm going to bring you over a little bit closer to my little dishes here so that you can see. All right. Oh, and Ms. Royan's class said the regular salt, so I'm just going to bring you over here a little bit closer. I'm sorry if it's a little bit wobbly for you. I'll try to hold it as still as I can. So this is the regular table salt. You can see there's a little bit of a puddle in there. The kosher salt, it's melting a little bit, but not too much. Surprisingly, the lavender salt is melting. And here we have this famous blue salt. Boys and girls, if you chose the Arctic Blue salt, I think you were correct because it is melting very, very fast. Okay. Oops, there we go. I want you to fall over again. Okay, so boys and girls, the salt here. So I'm bring it over here. You can see a little bit of the liquid for just the regular salt that is from your kitchen. Okay, the kosher salt is also from your kitchen. It's not melting very well at all. Actually, there's only a little bit is melting, not too much. Okay, now surprisingly, I am a little surprised by this. The Epsom salt is melting quite quickly. Does anyone have a guess why the Epsom salt is melting faster than some of the other salts? Does anyone have an idea? This is the kind of salt that you might put into your in your bath, right? To if you want a nice scent in your bath, it smells really good. Okay. Ms. Royan's class thinks the regular salt. Ms. Watson said, and Ms. Lee's class said the blue salt will melt faster. Okay. Well, boys and girls, if you said the blue salt, you are absolutely correct. This one is like a little puddle in here. It is very, very, very liquidy that you can see. It is melting the absolute fastest. Okay. Oh, Miss Lacombe's class said she thinks that the lavender helps it to melt. That's very interesting, Miss Lacombe. I'm not too sure about that. I know that if I put it into my bath smells nice. The water feels softer, and it if you have it in hot water, warm water in your bathtub, it melts much faster. Maybe it is the lavender. I don't know that. I don't know the answer. That's another science experiment, I think. Maybe something else with lavender. Okay, so boys and girls, we have discovered you can tell your mommies and daddies that the Arctic blue salt is the best kind of salt. So you can maybe help your mommies and daddies when you shovel off your sidewalk and you go outside, you shovel your driveway, and then you want to sprinkle a little bit of salt on there. It melts much faster. Now, I know where I live, they use, some people say that the salt is bad for the environment. It is bad because it can go into the water system for our fish and other birds, and for us too, it's bad. So lots of communities are using sand. I know that in where I live, there's lots and lots of sand. The sidewalk cleaners, they use sand on their sidewalks. So I'm not too sure about your community if they use salt or sand, but people are saying that salt is very bad for the environment, and we need to always take care of our environment too. Okay, all right. So boys and girls, you guys are amazing. So most of you had said that the Arctic blue salt was the winner, and in fact, it was. So we were able to figure that out. So boys and girls, I challenge you at your house, get some ice from your freezer, and you can do your own set of experiments. Okay, lots of ideas there. We had some, you can try it with sand. You could try with sand, with salt. Someone said a blow dryer, hot water. And I wonder which one would melt the fastest out of all of those variety of things. We had lots of things. Maybe one of the clever teachers is taking a list right now of all of those things so that their students could do that. And I would love to hear a report back from you. Okay, but boys and girls, for now, that is all for Fuzzleword Fridays. I hope you had fun, and we will see you again soon, next Friday. Okay, all right. So boys and girls, have a wonderful weekend, a great rest of your Friday, and we will see you again soon. Okay, all right. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye. See you.